Do you want to generate some passive income in 2025? In this video, I'll share my top 3 stock picks that can help you achieve financial freedom. These 3 picks were designed to provide consistent dividends while also having a steady growth potential. Whether you're just getting started or already have a portfolio, these are 3 picks you won't want to miss. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Kevin and I make videos about finance, passive income, and growth. Today's video is part of my 2025 Passive Income Challenge, where I'm building streams of income to grow my wealth. And yours too. I'll walk you through 3 different options for dividend stocks this year that I like, explain to you why I think they're really good options, and also show you how they can fit into your strategy. Now, let's jump into the first stock. First up, we have TSLY, the YieldMax Tesla Option Strategy Income ETF, currently one of the highest paying ETFs out in the market. And it's also a fantastic pick if you're looking for monthly dividend income. Here's what makes TSLY stand out. For starters, it's high yield. It offers an impressive dividend yield of about 76%, making it a top choice for our passive income portfolio. Monthly payouts. Unlike many dividend stocks out there, TSLY dividends come in monthly. That means frequent cash flow for you, your account, and your pockets. And thirdly, the Tesla Connect. It's tied to Tesla stock, which gives you exposure to the EV market while generating income with the cover call option strategy. Now, it's important to know that while TSLY's yield is quite high, it also presents a great risk. The fund uses a cover call strategy, which limits the upside of its gains. Plus, its performance is directly connected to Tesla stock, so it may not be the best fit for those seeking stability. Next up, we have SCHD, the Schwab U.S. Dividend Income ETF. This one is one of the most popular ETFs in the market, known for its balance of high yield and low maintenance fees. Here's why SCHD is one of my top picks. 1. The dividend yield. It currently offers a dividend yield of 3.5 to 4%, which makes it ideal for steady income. 2. Diversified portfolio. SCHD holds a basket of high-quality dividend-paying U.S. companies, providing instant diversification. And 3. Its low expense ratio. With an expense ratio of just 0.06%, you keep more of your returns compared to other funds. SCHD is also known for focusing on companies with strong fundamentals, like heavy cash flow and consistent dividend payouts, making it a great choice for dividend investing and long-term capital appreciation. Overall, SCHD is a great pick for those who want consistent and dependable income, while still capturing growth from a broad range of industries. And whether you're reinvesting your dividends or looking for consistent payouts, SCHD could be the stock for you. And finally, we have my third pick, which is VOO, the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. Now, while this dividend ETF is not known for high dividend yields, it is very reliable as it invests in the top 500 companies in the United States. Here's how VOO could be a great pick for you. Number 1, the dividend yield. VOO offers a yield of 1.5%, which may not seem high, but it's backed by the consistent performance of the S&P 500. 2, a low expense ratio. Just like SCHD, VOO has a low expense ratio, currently sitting about 0.03%. And third, its growth potential. By tracking the best companies in the United States, VOO gives you exposure to the capital gains of each one of these. VOO is perfect for investors who are looking for long-term growth and stability. It's the kind of stock that you set and forget, but could grow your wealth steadily for many years. Plus, it's a great hedge against inflation as the market continues to expand. So there you have it, my top 3 dividend picks of 2025. TSLY for its high dividend yields and monthly payouts. SCHD for a balanced approach of diversification and dependable income. And third, VOO for stability, growth, and exposure to the largest 500 companies. And now I want to hear from you. Which stocks are in your radar this 2025? Drop your picks down in the comments below, as I like to see what you're invested in. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe button, and turn on notification bells for more passive income tips. Thanks for watching the video. I'll see you guys next time.